Hello everyone, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm gonna speak about the words that we use when we're surprised. We are usually surprised when we have the feeling that we get when something unexpected happens. So let's begin. Do you know he beat his teacher? I am shocked. I am very shocked to hear that. Finally, she got married. I am amazed. I am very surprised. You know, she's not clever enough, but she got the prize. I am speechless. I cannot think of anything to say. I am astonished. I didn't expect. I am astounded. I am thunderstruck. I am at a loss for words. I don't know what to say. I'm sorry, you can lose your baby. I am frozen. Your friend got the medal. I am dumbstruck. Seriously? I can't believe it. No. Never. Really? Actually, I am open-mouthed. When we are very surprised, we can also say, I can't get over it. In American spoken, we say, get out. And in British spoken, we can say, get away. And when we are very surprised and shocked, we can say, how dare you? When we are surprised and we want someone, we ask someone to repeat what they have said, we say what? And in spoken, we can also say, what? If you think something is surprising, you can say, would you believe it? So I hope you learned some words for expressing your surprise. You can use them in your conversations. Keep on learning English with me. See you next time.